So I got the R18 and I'm running a Honda tuner, and I asked them when we were going to get like a rolling launch control or an anti-lag, and they were like, never. So the way the launch control works on these is based off of your speedometer. Pretty much anything under 5 and you're in their launch control state, which is just a dropped rev limit. Right now I got it set at like 6,900, but I never launch at that. It's just because it irritates me. So I went over here to speed sensor because I want rolling launch control because I can't do a dig for some reason. I guess I need a driver mod. And I teed off into one of the wires, the white red one. I don't even know what it does. But I cut it because I want rolling launch control. So now, to test it, for simplicity's sake, I teed off and I came up to a plug-in. That's also for a fail-safe, so if my switch ever messes up, I got this, which I'm gonna throw in the car. I just come out and plug it in and I'll be back on the road. But for testing purposes, I rigged this up, which is just some trailer wire to a plug-in and a switch, and I'm gonna run it through the window. And I'm gonna go get my laptop and I'm gonna drop the RPM or the launch control or whatever you want to call it to like 4,200, which is about where my car's at, doing 40. And we're gonna flip the switch off. When it's off, it should put it into a launch control state, and whenever you flip it back on, it should let you launch. In theory. Not sure if this is gonna work, so we're gonna test it. If it works, then I guess everybody's gonna see this video. All right, I got that plugged in. I'm gonna try to route it in a way that it doesn't get tangled up with a bunch of stuff. Maybe. Oh, I dropped the switch in water. Oh well. It shall be fine. This up through here. I got like way too much wire because it's just for testing purposes, and if it works, I'm gonna route it the right way and it'll get a different style switch. It'll get like a momentary disconnect. I just don't need it to be on any of my shift cables. Go there. And there. And then I'll toss it in the window just for testing purposes, obviously. I also think my air filter is restricting boost somehow. I don't know what it is about my setup, but you run an air filter versus not an air filter, you see like a plus minus 2 pounds of boost. And I'm pretty sure I got it set up to where it's like 14 psi, but I'm only seeing like 10, 12, give or take. So I'm gonna swap it out to my velocity stack. We have my oopsie wire. Set the hood back down. All right, so I'm uploading a new tune. See, you got my launch limiters set at 43 and the recover is 29 at 42.95, so it's like a 5 RPM difference, but that's just kind of how we roll. I hope it doesn't do anything weird, so we're gonna see. It's uploading right now. I got my wires ran. I just kind of have it tossed over on the side, and I ain't gonna do nothing right now. But that wasn't good because it just said that the upload was failed. All right, let me see if I can figure this out. Minus that, it's working. So I got my ECU up here, and I guess one of the pins just came a little bit loose in my fuse box, but we're not gonna talk about that. It's working. It has succeeded. So let's see what she sounds like. my stuff, and we're gonna go wash the car. Even though it looks kind of ghetto, because I got 2 wires in a stack. Oh well. Alright, we're gonna test this, but I'm waiting for this car. Yeah, I'm gonna turn that off. It's getting pretty warm in here anyways. Beautiful. See? I need to flip the switch. Alright, so I got it routed on the interior, and I got it to where it comes up through here, and I'm gonna have to get like one of them spiral cords and an actual bracket. This is just for until I can get one ordered. Is that on or off? Okay, put it back on. That way I can drive home. We'll do some hits on the way. Check this out.